Saving for a significant milestone can feel overwhelming, especially when traditional savings methods yield minimal returns. If you're ready to elevate your savings strategy, the Marcus High Yield Online Savings Account might be the perfect solution for your financial aspiration. With its unwavering AP and user-focused features, Marcus stands out genuinely for those who seek dependable growth without unnecessary distractions. Come along as we dive deeper into how this account can transform your savings game into an effective journey of financial empowerment. But before we delve into the specifics of the account, let's consider what you truly need in a high-yield savings account as a long-term saver. Stability is paramount, and while many banks offer enticing promotional rates, they often lack the consistency that is crucial for your financial peace of mind. Therefore, understanding the value of a stable AP with no sudden drops can set you on the right path to accumulating wealth without worry. When you choose a high-yield savings account, you want to ensure that your money is not just tucked away, but actively working for you. One of the standout features of the Marcus account is its commitment to a steady and competitive AP, consistently ranging between 4.30% and 4.50%. This means that as your funds sit in this account, they're not stagnating, they're growing daily. And you can count on this predictability without the fear of sudden dips. But why is this steady growth so crucial for long-term savers? Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with knowing your money is not only safe, but also steadily increasing in value. This means you can focus on your goals like that dream home or wedding, without stress about your savings. Marcus by Goldman Sachs prioritizes long-term financial growth by offering daily compounding interest, which ensures even your smallest balances contribute significantly over time each day. Your savings work just a little harder, culminating in substantial growth by year's end. If you've parked $10,000 for 2 years, you'll see nearly $900 added in passive growth, effortlessly enhancing your financial future. This is precisely the kind of dependable foundation you need on your journey toward your financial goals. One of the most appealing aspects of Marcus is its complete absence of fees. In a world where hidden costs often eat into your earnings, Marcus stands out by not charging maintenance fees, transfer fees, or penalties for minimum balances. This means every dollar you deposit has the potential to grow without being diminished by unnecessary charges, ensuring your focus remains on reaching your financial milestones. Whether you save $1, $0, or $100,000, you can rest easy knowing that your money will flourish without interruption, allowing you to build that emergency fund or purchase your dream home with confidence. Marcus by Goldman Sachs not only provides a dependable savings account, but also enhances the experience through seamless automation and goal tracking. By allowing you to define specific savings goals, set target amounts, and monitor your progress effortlessly, it empowers you to stay focused on achieving your aspiration. You can establish recurring transfers, ensuring that your savings grow consistently without needing to think about the process daily. This mix of control and convenience facilitates disciplined saving, allowing long-term savers to reach their ambitions effectively, all while maintaining a straightforward and user-friendly interface. With Marcus, financial clarity is just a few taps away. When it comes to protecting your hard-earned money, safety is a top priority, and Marcus delivers on this front as well. Your deposits are held by Goldman Sachs Bank USA and are FDIC insured up to $250,000, giving you peace of mind knowing that your funds are secure. In addition to high-level security measures, Marcus offers robust customer support, available 24/7 via live chat or a dedicated helpline, ensuring that help is always within reach should you need it. Whether you're navigating account setup or addressing questions about your balance, you can rely on their attentive service, keeping you informed and confident in your savings journey. Marcus also provides a simple, user-friendly mobile app that enhances the overall experience, allowing you to manage your savings effortlessly wherever you are. Through this app, you can easily view your balances in real time, track your goal progress, and set up transfers with minimal effort. Unlike many other banking apps that bombard you with unnecessary features, Marcus keeps it focused, ensuring that the essential tools you need for saving are straightforward and effective. This dedication to user experience reflects the ethos of Marcus, prioritizing what really matters for your long-term financial success. Another tremendous benefit of Marcus is its commitment to clarity and transparency. Unlike other banks that may entice you with teaser rates only to drop them later, Marcus offers a simple promise: what you see is what you get. This straightforward approach instills confidence in long-term savers who are tired of the gimmicks and ready for consistent, reliable growth. Knowing your AP will remain stable without hidden surprises empowers you to plan effectively for the future as you build your emergency fund or save for significant life events. This clarity ensures your financial choices align with your goals and aspiration, providing a strong foundation for your evolving financial journey. To truly highlight how Marcus distinguishes itself in the high-yield savings space, let's take a closer look at the remarkable real user feedback, illustrating the positive experiences of those who have embraced this platform. Users often commend Marcus for its ease of use, stating that moving their funds has resulted in greater interest accumulation than they previously achieved with traditional banks. One user remarked how the straightforward nature of the account allows them to set it and forget it, enjoying the benefits without constant monitoring. Such testimonials reinforce that Marcus is not merely about numbers, but also about the transformative experience it offers to savers dedicated to reaching their financial goals. As we explore further, we'll see how these features culminate in making Marcus the ideal ally for anyone serious about long-term financial empowerment for long-term savers. Understanding the numbers can significantly influence their decision-making process. With a 4.40% AP, you can visualize the potential growth your investments can bring over time. For instance, if you deposited $25,000 into your Marcus account, you'd earn approximately $1,100 in just 1 year. With its steady and transparent approach, Marcus by Goldman Sachs emerges as a beacon for long-term savers seeking reliable growth. This account not only safeguards your funds, but also empowers you to reach your financial aspiration with confidence and ease. It's time to take control of your financial future, and Marcus is here to help you every step of the way. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.